Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my top 5 favorite products which are under a 500 rupees. So yeah, let's get started. Before that, if you guys are wondering how I did this makeup look, then you can watch my Diwali 2019 makeup tutorial. I will definitely provide a link in the description box below. Now let's just get started with today's video. The number one product on my list has to be this beauty sponge by Blue Heaven Cosmetics. It comes in different colors and shapes, but this purple one has to be my favorite out of all. This is priced at rupees 150 and you cannot get a better blender in this price range. It blends out the foundation seamlessly. It works great with powders. I have done a review video on these blenders. So if you guys would like to know more about these, then you can definitely watch my review. I will provide the link in the description box. Next on my list are these L18 Colorpop matte lipsticks. These lipsticks are priced at rupees 100, but oh my god, the quality, the pigmentation, everything is just so amazing. I'm not saying that these are world's best lipsticks, but if you compare the quality of the product to its price, I think these are such a decent product. I have done swatches of these lipsticks onto my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, I will provide the link in the description box below. Next, I have this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This is priced at rupees 249. I have the shade 22 Money Penny. This is how it looks like and it is such a nice nude color for your waterline. It's not a matte eye pencil, it definitely has some sort of sheen to it. Next, I have these Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipsticks. When I bought it, these were priced at rupees 575, but now the price has reduced and now these retails for rupees 299. These are really comfortable and pigmented lipsticks. The quality, pigmentation, staying power and everything is definitely better as compared to L18 lipsticks because obviously you are paying more. Next, I have this Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Loose Powder. It comes in only one shade which is translucent. It is priced at rupees 350 I think. This is a really nice under eye setting powder. If your concealer creases, you need to get this one. Again, I have done a complete review of this product. If you guys want to check it out, you can. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure you like the video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.